everyone. Today, July 20th, we are celebrating a very special day, Moon Day. It marks the incredible moment when humans first landed on the moon. On July 20th, 1969, astronauts from the Apollo 11 mission made history. Neil Armstrong was the first person to take a step on the lunar surface. This achievement showed the world what human courage and cleverness can do. The moon, shining bright in our night sky, has always fascinated us. It reminds us to be curious, to ask questions, and to explore. Moon Day celebrates the spirit of discovery and scientific progress. It encourages all of us to dream big and reach for the stars, just like those astronauts. So let's remember this amazing journey and keep inspiring each other. Thank you.